Oh yeah.
What's going on, guys? AdamBrownAdventures here. I am out doing a really cool dive today. I'm out with Zach Cook over there, Z Cook Z. Might be able to, oh, there he is. Yeah.
Get in my truck.
And over here with Jeremy from Exploring with Nug.
What's up?
We are getting all our scuba gear together, and we're gonna dive this river right below this bridge over here. Pretty excited because he's found, this guy over here has found a bunch of cool stuff before. What'd you find out here before?
I think we're up to like 20 guns, a safe, pile of jewelry, lots of old bottles. This bridge produces, so there could be something under right now, and the water's so clear, we're definitely gonna find something.
20 guns, that's crazy, guys. Hopefully we can make that 23 guns today.
Oh, that'd be nice.
What do you guys think?
Well, you know.
Just one would be good.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just happy just one between the three of us, so. But three for, you know, one for each of us would be pretty sweet, too.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Sweet,
yeah.
guys. So we're gonna get all this crap on, get all our gear, and get in that cold water and go find some goodies. See you out there. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Give me one.
Get this crap on.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we were walking down to the spot. Got Nug behind me. Lots of traffic, so you might not be able to hear anything, but we're getting down to it. Let's go. Check it out, guys. We were underneath the bridge. There's like tons of graffiti, lots of trash everywhere. Look, I already found some river treasure. Nice little umbrella. Check it out, guys. This is actually a safe that some other diver had pulled up, and it's obviously empty now. No gold coins left in there, but it's a bunch of trash. But that's really cool. So this river definitely has a lot of stuff. I'm really excited to get in here. Let's go do it. All right, guys. We are getting in the water here. About to go down under. We're all placing bets on who has to best find cruisers by dinner. What? If we find something cool enough, we'll go live. We'll see what happens on that one. All right, let's go down. almost over. You still got 1,000 pounds of air.
Yep.
I got 500, so I'm about done.
I lost my air. It
Yeah.
all fell off. I've given up on breathing.
He got lungs. Or, not lungs, gills.
Gills.
Got gills?
Yep, I grew them. Finally, I leveled up.
Prove it!
About time.
Well, yeah, this has been an amazing dive, guys. The water is so clear, as you can see. We're about done. I'm going to dive a little bit more. Maybe do a little bit of free diving. I found that mystery box. We're going to see what's inside after on the shore over there. guys, that was the end of the dive. The water was crystal clear. It was amazing. It was almost more fun just swimming around than looking for stuff. But of course, we found a few cool things. Not a ton, but let me show you a few things. Found a cell phone battery, old Samsung. This lock I found on there. I thought this was like part of an old wallet. It looks like it might have been. It's some type of pouch, but it ain't much use anymore. I also found this cool, I think that's a Pepsi bottle. You know, Jeremy?
It's soda. It could be something cool.
It's a cool looking bottle. It's got the spirals around it. If you guys know what type of soda it is, leave a comment and let me know. I also found a rocket fin. Now I use a jet fin. You can tell it's a little different size. The rocket fin's a little smaller, but some poor diver down there lost his fin, so that must have sucked. Been a bad day. Now then, I also found this mystery case. I haven't opened it yet. I'm hoping it's like a gun case, although it does say Black & Decker on it, so it's most likely not. Let's check it out. Oh, man. What do you think that was?
That was definitely a power tool of some sort.
Some sort of power tool. It still feels really heavy. I don't think there's any other compartments, but man, I was hoping that would be something good, but that's still cool. I love finding cases of any kind. I barely saw the outline of the top when I found it, and I knew it was something cool, but you can't always win. Anyways, guys, that's all the stuff I found. Let's go up and show you what Jeremy and Zach found. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you Zach's find. He found something really cool. I think he has the best find of the dive today. What you got, man?
So, I found a bag, which, hang on one second. So I didn't think there was anything in this bag. And I was like, okay, well, it's just gonna be a bag. But then I started feeling it and I was like, man, it feels like there's something in it. So we got it up to here to shore and there was some tools in it. I don't know what, it says Agra Pets products. I don't know if it's an animal tool, nail clipper. Anyways, that was in there. But then I found $20.
Man.
I know. So that was $20 in the bag and I don't really know the connection between the two. So anyways, that was pretty cool. I also found a license plate and I found a car.
Nice.
I wonder if it still runs. Anyways, fun dive.
So you found a car, license plate, and a stolen bag of money, huh?
I did. I mean, it sounds like Bonnie and Clyde type stuff.
That's awesome. You got any words to say, Jeremy?
You guys win. I didn't find much. My finds are up there. It was a fun dive. Water was really clear. We got to see a lot more than usual. So like, I'm definitely gonna come back out here, probably solo, so I can redeem myself because this was the bridge of guns, and I need to find a gun under here. So.
Yeah, this place is beautiful. The water is just so clear compared. If you guys saw yesterday's video, that was a lot less visibility. Out here was just awesome.
So. A little bit different for sure.
Guys, so we just got back to our cars and we are unloading, putting our equipment back up. Real quick, I wanted to show you Jeremy's finds. They were kind of interesting. What did you got, man?
I got some GPS trackers. And they're the kind of GPS trackers that you put like on your Bobcat or tractor, so somebody would steal it. But the crazy thing is we pressed the button and one of them is working.
Oh look, can you guys see that? Oh yeah, you can see it. Green and blue lights. That's crazy.
So now we're gonna see who shows up. I'll just keep it in, I'll just say leave it in your guys' truck and then the pops like right.
Yeah, we'll leave those in Zach's truck and we'll wait till you drop me off first. And then
yeah, whatever, you're gonna find it like in the back of your truck.
In your bag.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Huge thanks to Zach and Jeremy for having me out on this dive and this weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please check out their channels. I'll have them linked in the description below. Z, Exploring with Nug.
Check out mine first.
No.
If you guys like diving videos, you'll love their channels. They do it all the time, way more than me. I need to step
But
the
that's
game up.
about to change.
That's about to change?
It's
About to change now. Yeah, I got my scuba stuff all my gear together, so I'm gonna be doing lots of scuba diving videos in the future, so stay tuned for those, guys. So please subscribe to our channels, leave a comment, leave a like, and as always, we see you on the next adventure. Oh yeah.
I almost messed it up.